Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar. Here is the continuation part 2 to topic 1, work and time, work and wages. Before proceeding ahead, let us see the recapping of the previous sessions. Assuming that you all are well versed with the previous points of discussion, let us proceed ahead with the new discussion, that is mixed worker working together. So based on conversion value, finding answer. Mixed workers means a team of workers like 10 men, 15 women and 20 boys, or like 10 men, 15 women or 20 boys. But this does not mean different from men and used for the same sense of M in MDH. Remember WWF. W means work, means total work units for men. W means wages, means total wages for men. F means feed, means total feed for tanks, means this is the capacity of the tanks. So all these three are used for the same sense. Let us take an example. 4 men or 6 women can do a work in 15 days. In how many days 6 men and 2 women can do the same work? Here, eye-catching words are and or. And means plus, or means equal to. Equal to means it is giving way to find out replacement value. In the question itself, which variable value you will take for the conversion, let you choose it in the question itself so that it will be easy for calculation. Now, let us see the how to find out conversion value. In the question we have seen 4 men are equal to 6 women. So 1 man is equal to 6 by 4 women. 6 is divided by 2 3 times and 4 is divided by 2 2 times. So 1 man is equal to 3 by 2 women, or 1 woman is equal to reverse of 3 by 2, means opposite of 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3 men. So for 6 men and 2 women, conversion value is 6 men means no change plus 2 into woman value, that is 2 by 3 men. So 6 men plus 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3 means 4 by 3 men. Now taking LCM, so it will be 18 plus 4 equal to 22 divided by 3 men. Now we see it here. Formula is M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. We have not taken W1 and W2 because in both these sets work is shown 1. So M1 means number of men 4 and D1 means number of days 15 equal to M2 means number of men 22 by 3 men, which we have calculated in the previous slide, into unknown number of days. So dividing 4 and 2 both side by 2, we are getting 2 men into 15 days equal to 11 by 3 men into unknown days. Now 15 twos are 30 days. Because both the side M is striked out, so 30 days into 3 divided by 11 equal to question mark days, means 90 days divided by 11 means 8 and 2 divided by 11 days is the answer. Means 6 men and 2 women can do that work in 8 and 2 by 11 days. Now let us end another example. A team of 15 men, 30 women or 60 boys working 6 hours a day can do a work in 10 days. In how many days a team of 10 men, 5 women and 30 boys working 8 hours a day can do the same work? Let us see the solution. Here 15 men, 30 women or 60 boys means it will provide us conversion value, that is 15 men equal to 30 women equal to 60 boys. Now dividing all the values by 15, 1 man equal to 2 women equal to 4 boys. So 1 man equal to 4 boys or 1 man equal to 2 women. They are two values. But since we have taken the values on conversion way, so 10 men plus 5 women plus 30 boys into 8 hours into question mark day equal to 15 men into 6 hour into 10 days. Now 10 men means no change plus 5 women. 5 women means half of it is the conversion value of women in the form of men. So 5 women equal to 2.5 men plus 30 boys are equal to 7.5 men into 8 hour into question mark days equal to 15 men into 6 hours into 10 days. Now 7.5 and 2 on adding becomes 10 and 10 plus 10 becomes 20. So 20 men into 8 hours into question mark days equal to 15 men into 6 hours into 10 days. Now both the sides, hour will cancel hour, m will cancel m. So 10 will cancel 20 two times. On calculation, the value of question mark comes 30 days. So in 30 days, they will be able to complete this job. Let us see another example. A team of 15 men, 20 women and 25 boys together working 6 hours per day for 10 days agreed to complete a job for rupees 1,50,000. If this job is done by another team of same size working 10 hours a day for 8 days, what will be their wages now? Let us see the solution. Here formula is M1D1H1 divided by W1 equal to M2D2H2 divided by W2. Now we will use W1 and W2 in the form of wages. Earlier we were using it in the form of work. So we must know that work units, wage units and feed units are the three separate things but used in the same sense. Here M1 means 15 men plus 20 women plus 25 boys into 10 days into 6 hours. Set of workers same on both sides, so omit it. Means set of workers means workers team on the both side or both sets is same, so we will leave it. Now 6 hours into 10 days divided by 1,50,000 equal to 10 hours into 8 days divided by what? W2 means what? 8 into 1,50,000 divided by 6 equal to question mark, because on cross multiplication 6 into 10 into question mark will come one side and 10 hours into 8 days into 1,50,000 will go other side. So on calculation we can see 1,50,000 will be cut by 6 25,000 times and 8 remains same. So 8 into 25,000 equal to 2 lakhs rupees is the answer for the other team, not other team, same team, but for the changed working hour. We have shown it again here. 6 hours into 10 days divided by 1,50,000 equal to 10 hours into 8 days divided by question mark. That is same. 8 into 25,000 equal to 2 lakh is the answer. Keep on revising previous points pertaining to the topic for better understanding. Let us take another example. Here we are going to discuss another concept of working, that is alternate day. Means workers are working alternatively. If there are two men, A and B, A will work today, B will work tomorrow. Then again A will do the work and later on B will do the work. So let us take an example. Raja can do a work in 10 days and Giri in 15 days. They work alternatively and completed the work. How many days they took to complete the work? Now let us see. Raja took 10 days to do the work, so his efficiency becomes 1 by 10. Giri took 15 days to complete the work, so his efficiency becomes 1 by 15. Now the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, and 30 divided by 10 gives efficiency 3 for Raja, and 30 divided by 15 gives efficiency 2 for Giri. Now Raja and Giri worked for 2 days. Means 1 day Raja, 1 day Giri, counting 2 days. So in 2 days the work done is 3 units plus 2 units equal to 5 units. So the work done by Raja and Giri in 1 day becomes half of it, means 2.5 units. So the work done by Raja and Giri will be completed in total work units, that is 30, divided by their efficiency, that is 2.5. So 30 divided by 2.5 equal to 12 days is the answer. We have shown it here in the tabular form also. Let us see. Worker Raja Giri. Three unit per day, 3 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 unit per day. In 6 days, it becomes 18 units, and Giri 2 units, 2 units, 2 units, 2 units in 6 days becomes 12 units. So 18 plus 12 becomes 30 units of total work. Now let us take another example. Ramesh can do a work in 15 days and Gopal in 10 days. They started working alternatively, but after 4 days, Gopal left the work. In how many days remaining work will be completed by Ramesh? We can see here men are Ramesh and Gopal. Time taken by Ramesh is 15 days. Time taken by Gopal is 10 days. So LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. 30 divided by 15 gives efficiency 2 for Ramesh. 30 divided by 10 gives efficiency 3 for Gopal. Now, in 4 days, Ramesh will work 2 days and Gopal will work 2 days. So 2 plus 2 means 4 days. and in 4 days work done by Ramesh and Gopal is 2 days for Ramesh, 2 into 2 means 4 units, 2 into 3 means 6 units for Gopal. So 4 plus 6 equal to 10 units is the work done. Now 30 minus 10 equal to 20 units is the work left. Now after 4 days Gopal has left, so only Ramesh is there to complete the job. Means total work unit left is 20 units and his efficiency is 2. So time taken by Ramesh to do this job is 20 divided by 2 equal to 10 days. I have shown it here once more. Men, Ramesh, Gopal, their efficiency 2 and 3. Combined work done during 4 days 10 units. Work left 20 units. So work done by Ramesh in how many days is the total work divided by his efficiency 2 equal to 10 days is the answer. In the tabular form also I have shown it here. Ramesh first day 2 units, second day Gopal 3 units, then third day Ramesh 2 units and fourth day Gopal 3 units. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10 units is the work completed and left is 30 minus 10 equal to 20 units. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Please do like, share and subscribe.